Welcome back to this year's NHS in the North Excellence in Supply Awards 2020, live on YouTube and Twitter, recognising the response of businesses, the third sector and the NHS to COVID-19. Earlier, we announced the finalists for this year's 3 awards categories: Fighting the Virus, Supporting the System and NHS Procurement Heroes. We will shortly announce the winners. Remember, you can get involved in today's awards by following us on Twitter using the hashtag EISNorth2020. And now it's my pleasure to introduce Lorna Green, Director of Enterprise and Growth for the innovation agency, the sponsors of this category, Fighting the Virus. Lorna, would you like to reveal the winners?
At the Innovation Agency, we understand the value of effective and innovative relationships between the NHS and those organisations who supply the NHS with goods and services. This year, we've seen how integral those relationships have been to the effectiveness of the health and care system's response to COVID-19. In a period which the NHS has sustained unprecedented pressures and undergone change on a massive scale, creativity and innovation in supply have been fundamental to success. I would like to congratulate and thank all of this year's shortlisted organisations. The finalists for the award Fighting the Virus are Blue Tree Group, a UK manufacturer, steps up. Fortress, for using virtual reality to reduce insight visits at Liverpool Women's NHS Foundation Trust. Patchwork Health, for supporting Liverpool primary care networks. SID Live, Sheffield Arena, for Sheffield Arena's support during COVID-19. It is with great pleasure that I announce the winner of the NHS in the North Excellence in Supply Award for Fighting the Virus. And the winner is Patchwork Health, for supporting Liverpool primary care networks through COVID-19 with the implementation of innovative technology. The judges felt that this was a great programme of work describing how COVID has accelerated a digital-first approach to staff resourcing in primary care in the Liverpool area. This has been a great solution for managing clinician capacity. Congratulations to everyone involved.
Thank you, Lorna, and congratulations to Patchwork Health and, of course, all of our finalists. And now to announce the second of today's award winners. For the category Supporting the System, I'd like to introduce Richard Stubbs, who's the Chief Executive of the Yorkshire and Humber Academic Health Science Network.
Thanks, Phil. My name is Richard Stubbs. I am the CEO of Yorkshire and Humber Academic Health Science Network. We are proud to sponsor the award for Supporting the System. This award is in recognition of organisations who have demonstrated innovation in supporting, enhancing or transforming existing areas of health and care or services that have been impacted by COVID-19. The pandemic has tested our health and care system like never before. And as our staff and the public have risen to meet this challenge in the face of life-endangering risks, we have also seen a transformation in the way that we deliver some of our services compared to 12 months ago. It was fairly early on in the pandemic when we stopped talking about recovery and started to refer to reset. As AHSNs, we recognised that one of the key roles that we could play was to identify, evaluate, and seek to sustain positive changes and rapid innovation brought about by the COVID-19 pandemic and which are relevant to our future. Our insights and learnings from this work have been collated and promoted at a national level, sharing them across the network and in turn the country's health and care system wherever possible. And throughout our evaluation work, the role of our industry partners have been clear and essential. Simply put, the NHS could not have transformed itself at such a pace without a strong life sciences and digital sector supporting it. Thank you to everyone who has done so much in such an unprecedented crisis to help us to protect our NHS. The judges were blown away by the applications for this category in what was a very strong field. The finalists for the award for Supporting the System are Damibu, for the Liverpool GP websites project. Docabo for telehealth, a rapid reaction. KRTS International Limited for support for the psychological well-being of NHS staff. And Safe Steps for Greater Manchester Digital Care Homes COVID-19 response. And the winner is Docabo for the telehealth, a rapid reaction. The judges said that the winner demonstrated a responsive partnership between the NHS and the supplier, using an existing telemonitoring system and ramping it up to respond to the needs of the local population during COVID-19. Patient numbers were doubled from around 1,800 users to over 4,000. The figure later rose to 5,000 vulnerable patients monitored daily for underlying conditions and symptoms of COVID-19.
Many thanks, Richard, and congratulations to Docabo. And now to our final award, NHS Procurement Heroes. To announce the winner, I'd like to introduce you to Richard Deed, who's the Associate Commercial Director at Health Innovation Manchester.
Good evening. My name's Richard Deed, and I'm the Associate Commercial Director at Health Innovation Manchester, which includes the Greater Manchester Academic Health Science Network. We're really proud to sponsor the award for NHS Procurement Heroes. And this award is in recognition of NHS procurement teams or members of procurement teams who have provided exceptional support to their trust during the COVID-19 pandemic. This year has been a challenging year for all involved in healthcare delivery due to the COVID-19 crisis. And in response, Health Innovation Manchester quickly reappraised much of its work and pivoted its activity to support local and national commissioners to respond to the COVID-19 crisis. Many existing projects were stood down and warehoused, and staff quickly redeployed onto COVID-19 related projects. The commercial team within HIM focused much of their efforts to act as a first point of contact to deal with the many offers and requests to provide COVID-related products, including much PPE. We also contributed to the National Horizon scan for the COVID-related products. One of the biggest issues we faced was being able to determine which products were safe and realistically priced. So we worked closely with our local procurement leads to enable appropriate suppliers to engage with them. And I'm pleased to say some of the products we dealt with went on to be procured at scale in Manchester and elsewhere, which I've no doubt has helped in the fight against the COVID pandemic. And so to the awards. The finalists for the NHS Procurement Heroes Awards are Andy Baker, PPE Lead, Sheffield Arena, Sheffield Teaching Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust, for Our Rock. The Countess of Chester Hospital NHS Foundation Trust Procurement Team for 27 Days and Beyond. Manchester University NHS Foundation Trust and NHS Shared Business Services for the NHS Nightingale Hospital North West, and Sheffield Teaching Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust Procurement and Logistics Team for keeping patients and staff safe. So, in this category, in addition to our winner, who I'll announce shortly, one of our finalists was singled out to be highly commended by our judges panel, as it was literally only a fraction of a point behind the eventual winner. So congratulations and commiserations go to our highly commended winner, Manchester University NHS Foundation Trust and the Shared Businesses Services for the NHS Nightingale Hospital North West. And now we come to the winner. And the winner of the NHS Procurement Heroes is Sheffield Teaching Hospitals NHS Foundation Trust Procurement and Logistics team for keeping patients and staff safe. So our judges said that the quality of application of this category was outstanding, with spectacular outcomes and impacts described in all submissions. But the procurement team at Sheffield Teaching Hospitals clearly went above and beyond, moving quickly to a 7-day week service, coordinating a new team of 35 volunteers and overcoming huge logistical difficulties. So congratulations to all applicants, those that are shortlisted, who made the final, and well done in particular to Sheffield Teaching Hospitals.
Thank you, Richard, and congratulations, Sheffield Teaching Hospitals. On behalf of us, I'd like to offer congratulations to all of our shortlisted organisations, our finalists, and especially the winners of the NHS in the North Excellence in Supply Awards 2020. And a big thank you to our award sponsors and to all of you who've joined us today. Don't forget, you can carry on the conversation on Twitter, joining using the hashtag EISNorth2020.